Hello, ma. Good afternoon. So this morning I picked the car from the bodywork shop. So this is the bumper that we replaced. We've had to take it off. So what we are doing now is we are looking at the electrical wiring that goes to the headlights, and then the wiper washer that we replaced here. Now we want to take a look at the condenser. You mentioned the last time that we should take a look at it. So that is what we want to do. So on the condenser, we see a part of the condenser has a crack. Okay, so around this side, you can see around this side, the condenser is cracked. So we are going to take it out. We are going to see if it's something we can work on, or if there's any other physical damage on it. We are going to look at that, and we'll look at the pipes too on this side, and then we'll get back to you. We'll report back to you concerning what has to be done. Thank you.